Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today. Today we are going to sort of restore these old bulkhead lights. They're 1950s, possibly they're pre-war. I'm not exactly sure how old they are, but they are quite old. And they're absolutely lovely. They're called the prismatic, and got a nice glass. And got a loose glass here. Look at that. There you go. Nice sunshine. The W made in Wigan, or the company's called Wigan, I think. Who makes things like that these days, eh? Look how thick that is. And with a proper prism to reflect the light a bit, to project the light a bit. So they're gonna go nice in our guest room. They're gonna be above the bed, so we want to convert them with a little pull switch to turn them on and off. So cable entry is at the top. These are the old knackered ones. I found some nice brass ones, so they're coming in the post in the next couple of days. And at the bottom, I want to make a nice little feature here for the pull cord to come through, like so you can put a little switch inside of them. And we found a tap to make the collar, to make a little nut, and this is one that we made earlier. It's not finished yet. So roughly what we want to make is this is the little part. I want to make it tapered. I might use a round nose on the lathe here to give it another little extra feature. I'll just make it up as we go along on this section. It'll have a hole drilled through it for the pull cord, chamfered at both ends, so you don't wear the cord out, you know, when you keep on pulling it. Problem with it is, if you want to taper turn it, you haven't got anywhere to hold it anymore than only the thread. So you have to sort of plan your operations a little bit and see in what order you can make it. So I came up with the idea. I made the nut first because we found a tap, but we haven't got no die for it, so I'll cut the male thread. It is a gas thread. It's a 26 TPI and it's an oddball size. It is 815 thou. 812 thou is exactly 13/16 on the male part, and it's a fine thread because it's only a quarter of an inch, and because we need a shoulder, it's impossible to stop the lathe in time to make this tiny thing. So we are going to invert the tool. It is something that Joe Pye does and on one of his videos. So I gave it a go. I've never done it before. Well, I did one and it came out great. So it's, the tool, as you can see it, is upside down and it's tiny. So what we're going to do is, and sort of have to figure out, you know, your plan of action sort of thing. So this I'll split this in half afterwards. I'll part it off and this will become the two nuts. But for the moment we'll keep it in one piece, so we can screw a little piece in there, like so. And we can put it in the lathe and then we can machine the fancy bit, you know, the tiny little tapered feature like on here. So we don't have to hold it on the thread. I'll take it to the lathe and make another one because we need two. Okay, we're gonna turn the shoulder on it now, prepare it for the thread. It needs to be a 1/4 inch deep and the diameter is 812 thousandths. And we'll just do that with the compound slide. So we'll just set them against, log the stop, come off, 1, 2, 25, 30, 40, 50. There we go. We'll come back 5 thousandths for the cleaning cut. There we go. Ready. Okay. So. Eight, 3, 5. $24, 12 thousandths. 10. $16, 5 thousandths, 2.5 thousandths. Okay. That's good enough. Okay guys, we're ready to cut the thread near enough. We just got to set the tool up. The tool is upside down, so we'd be cutting away from the shoulder upside down in reverse. And it's such a fine thread, 26 TPI. It's absolutely tiny. So to be able to see the point proper, Put a white piece of paper underneath it, then you can see it a little bit better. Line the tool up. Looks good to me. Select 26 TPI. 26, and the main lever all the way to the left. Check it in the safe zone which way he's going to move. Change the feed nut. Down the right way. Just made a little scratch pass here. This is going to be the tapered portion, so it'll disappear. Just double check that we got the thread correct. The shoulder here. Because it's such a fine thread, we're going straight in with the compound, and the last one, it was 27 thou deep. So. Starting groove. Nearly. Close. Perfect.